point is that Krishna will embrace us. He will love us. He will remove our... Krishna takes his chadar and he dries the tears from the gopis' eyes. Bhagavan, he takes his chadar and he dries the tears from the gopis' eyes when he meets them and they're crying. In chapter 31, after they cry out the Gopi Geet, then he comes back and says, oh, you're crying. I was standing just outside these bushes. I heard every word. So every stotram you chant, every Maha Mantra you chant, Krishna's hearing it. He's standing right there in front of you. But we think, oh, he's not hearing me. In his time, he'll come. In his time, he'll reveal. So this is a great teaching for the sadhaka. This is what you call the Adhyatmic Vichar and the Adhibhautiki Vichar and Adhidhaivik. So Adhyatmic Vichar, the consideration of the Atma, it's different, means me, the Jivatma. And Daiva means the divine, the transcendental Kamadev, the Aprakrita Madan Mohan. The Aprakrita Madan Mohan. Madan is Cupid, and Mohan is the one that bewilders Cupid. So sometimes it's a Aprakrita Madan. Rather, not Mohan, but Aprakrita Madan. Or Smara Murtiman. Smara Murtiman, or Sakshat Manmata Manmata. So these are all ways to describe Krishna as the supreme lover, as the supreme Dev, the transcendental Kamadev. The transcendental god of desire, or Deva,